you guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be doing a gold chrome nail tutorial with this gorgeous rainbow textured nail design, and I'm so excited to share this with you guys. And if you want to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. So of course you're going to start off with your nails prepped, your base coat applied, and then you're going to come in with a base of black. I'm using Midnight Black from Nailmate. I've then come in with super gloss no wipe top coat and cured that fully for a full 60 seconds. Now I'm just coming in and applying gold chrome powder to the nail, and I'm just using my finger to rub that in, make sure it's nice and seamless and a mirror finish. I did use way more chrome than needed. I kind of smooshed my finger right in there, so yeah, you do not need to use this much. A little goes a long way. Once I've rubbed in the chrome, we're going to go ahead and dust off any excess, and then we're going to top coat again using the super gloss no wipe top coat, making sure to cap the free edge as well, because that's going to help seal in your design. The next step to this look is coming in with our gel colours. So you want to select the colours that your kind of theme is running along. So if you're doing pink nails, just choose like a range of pinks or purples or nudes, whatever colour you're doing, just change it to that, and obviously it will suit the design that you're doing. If you're doing rainbow, obviously select your rainbow gels. I am using all the gels from my website and they are freaking stunning in this rainbow order. They look freaking bomb, and I'm just applying them in this kind of random swirl. So once I've applied the first swirl, I'm kind of following that pattern along with the next colour and then the next colour, just so that the gap in between is kind of uniformed. Like, it's not perfect, but it looks like it's following some kind of pattern and some kind of design process or idea. Also, between applying these gel colours, you do not want to cure them. Leave them wet because we're going to sugar in our acrylic. If you cured these, then when we come to add in our acrylic powder, it's not going to grab a hold of that product and create the texture that we want. So definitely do not cure them until we've done that step. Get all of those colours applied and then we can move on. So now I've applied all my colours, the gel is still wet. I'm coming in with the Nailmate Crystal Clear Acrylic, and I'm just using a practice tip thing, I can't remember what they're called, a pop stick, and I'm just scooping up that product and really layering it on and scooping until I can see that it can't kind of soak up any more of that powder. You want it to be matte. If you can still see some shiny parts coming through, you want to keep going until you've completely covered it, until it's not, like I said, not soaking up any more product. Once you've done that and you're happy that it's not soaking up any more of that powder, you can go ahead and give it a full cure in the light for a full 60 seconds, and then we can dust off and see the magic happen. So this is how it will be looking. You can see there's no kind of glossy sections on that gel. It's all really matte. So I cured it in the light for a full 60 seconds, and using the rainbow dusting brush, I'm just coming in and removing that excess acrylic. And this is the final look, guys. I love how it turned out. I think it looks amazing. You can change it up with loads of different colours and like designs and patterns and make it your own. I hope you've enjoyed watching, and as always, please remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.